Luke, Luke, I am your father.
How you guys doing? We're gonna do video today, alright. Yeah, gonna be great. We're gonna be doing a camping fan today. Guys like to do some camping. I like this fan here. This is a multifunctional camping fan, and what's really unique about this is actually nothing. It's just a regular goddamn fan. Oh shit, I put this damn thing way over here. I don't understand what the hell I just did. Alright, so this camping fan has an LED ring light around here, so when you have this hanging in your tent like so, you can have some light in your tent, and also gives you a fan capability, so you don't have to physically touch it. You have a remote control, which is really unique. I really like this type of device. We're going to has 3 speed settings on this darn thing, and you have off 1, 2, and 3. And this, it blows pretty well for what it is. I'm quite impressed with the camping fan. Remember, you're going to be in a tent and you're trying to stay cool, so having something like this in your tent will really well. However, it does come with a tripod, and you can adjust it and put it in all different directions, and then you have this tightening screw here. You can point it at yourself like this and get cooled off from that cool air coming at you. It does have extension for the legs like so. If you want to go a little higher and you want to go, you can do that as well. And the light output's not too bad. I'm going to shut the lights off in my my makeshift studio here so you can see the light output. Okay, I have it off now, so what kind of sucks is I can't see. Here we go. That's level 1, and that's level 2. So you can see the brightness. It's like a ring light. Shut the fan off. That's 1, and that's 2. And you don't want to be too overbearing, but this is just enough light to see what you're doing inside the tent. Of course, you can have additional lighting as well. I don't think this light is bright enough for the situation, but if you're looking for some romantic lighting, this could be what you're looking for. You can just have a night light hanging up on the thing. I told the company that it has, that it was only 8,900 or like just about 9,000. And they said, well, I'm sorry, the product is losing energy. And I was like, it's brand new. What are you talking about? So I did get this for free. So I'm going to rate this light as a probably, I don't know, 4 stars. Because they kept on claiming that it was 10,000 milliamp, like over and over and over again. Oh, it's 10,000, it's 10,000. Oh, don't mind the back sticker. They forgot to replace it. They did tell me that. They said they're sorry. It's all in Chinese. However, the back of it says it's 8,000 milliamp hour, not 10,000 on the box. However, when I did a test on it and discharged this thing completely and recharged it, it did go up to 9,000, just about 9,000, 89,000 and change. So if this was an 8,000 milliamp pack inside, then this is underrated for the rating. However, since they were adamant about it, saying, oh no, this is the wrong sticker, it's really 10,000 and what it says on the back is wrong, then that means they're over advertising what it is, and that's not cool, so they're lying. However, if they kept it the way it was and told me it was 8,000 and I measured 8,900, I would have given this to JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating, because it's advertised at a lower rate but actually is higher. So they actually killed their review because of what they told me. So this is not user replaceable. When the battery dies, the battery dies. Hopefully it'll last a long time. Wait a minute, this thing unlocks? I just noticed something. check that out. I just noticed a thing on here, unlock, so you can actually clean the fan. Now that's kind of cool. It is a good fan that does work. It does have little things here on the fan, so if you want to stick it on a table like so, it will not like roll. It does have that ability to actually stay in a spot, and not, if you stuck it like this, it would roll. But here it won't roll. So it's got those little feet on it, which is cool. I'm not a big fan of the tripod. Personally, I would throw it away and just use it. I wouldn't even use a tabletop, but that's just me. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time!